Hi again, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. It's going to be a quick video on how to propagate your own Christmas cactus or Schlumberger. Really simple to do, a quick way to bulk up your numbers, or if someone you know has got a colour different to you, then how can obviously get cuttings from their plants. So yeah, I'll talk you through how to do it. So here we are. Strangely enough, this set of cuttings, which I did in the autumn time, they're actually flowering now at early part of April. They've been flowering for a couple of weeks. This is my main plant, which is a deep pink flowering one. That was flowering nicely for Christmas period, and then it's had a second flush recently following a feed. But you can see that it's quite a nice chunky plant, and it's got plenty of cutting material on it. So this is the plant that we're going to be using today. How do you do cuttings of them? Really simple. Pen, my trusty dibber pen. 1 pot of compost, already pre-watered, slightly firmed down so you get the air pockets out. Make a bit of a hole. Now this is the really hard technical bit. Right, let's find an element of shoot. See where you've got your joins there. Break it off. There we are, it's perfect sort of size. Pop it into your pot so it's about 1 centimetre down. And that is your cutting. And then normally what I do is aim to put 2 or 3 in the same pot. Just like with this one. So again, this is it's only been rooted since the autumn time, so you can see it's already made up a reasonable amount of size to it. But you don't need to use any rooting compounds because it's a succulent. Really simple, and yeah, it's quite a good way to bulk up your numbers, and likewise to easily acquire different colours. So I'll just show you what we do again. So 1 or 2 shoots, literally break it on the joint. There we are. So you've got the small fibrous element there. Pop it into your soil, firm around it. That is it done, and then we'll put that on the windowsill for it to root through. And then once this has formed a nice potful, then I'll think about potting it up. So you can see this plant here is exactly the same. So I'd struck 2 original cuttings in a 9 or 10 centimetre pot, just gradually allow that to bulk up, and yeah, this has now become sort of a mother plant in place of the stock that I did have. So it does flower and puts on a really good show. So once again, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked that. Nice, quick and simple. Not a lot else I can say. You know, if you like what you saw, then please subscribe, try it yourself, and see you soon.